Living in Florida has taught me that hurricanes and tropical storms are not a matter of if they're gonna happen, they're actually a matter of when they're gonna happen. And every year there is this moment where everybody rushes to the store, stack up on water, charge up your devices in hoping that the power will stay on. And that's actually the problem, because once the lights go out, you realize how much of your day actually relies on electricity. That's exactly what got me interested in this brand new Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2. Let's go ahead and get started. This is the Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2, and while it's designed as a backup power station, I found that it's one of those products that becomes useful long before an emergency even happens. And with the 2048 watt live PO4 battery, the 2400 watt continuous output, and up to 4000 watt peak power, it's capable of running everything from phones, laptops, to refrigerators, and even household appliances. Now, the first thing that surprised me about this unit was the size, because most power stations with the same power capacity are usually larger, and this one comes in at 41.7 pounds, which is significantly smaller than many units in the same class. And that's going to matter, because if you are in an emergency, the last thing that you want to think about is carry a heavy item around. And so you can store it anywhere, carry it with you wherever you need power, or conveniently place it in your vehicle, and that without it being a hassle. All right, guys, we got the Anker here, and I got my air fryer, because just in case of emergency, you still need to eat. So we're gonna plug it in and see how much wattage it's going to take. Turn on the section through here, and just plug it in. My air fryer is on, so let's go ahead and do preheat. All right, 17, we're at 1751. And as we can see, the air fryer is at 400 degrees. We got 3 minutes left, preheating. And this is not a problem for the Anker. This is one of the emergency setups that you need in case of a power outage. You still need to be able to cook. Now I'm going to be testing my espresso machine, because I do need my daily coffee. So let's go ahead and plug it in. We're at 52%. And we're at 1200, 1300. All right, we're at 1330 watts, and the machine is on, so it's fine, and it's ready to make the coffee. So that's not gonna be a problem in case of emergency. I'm still gonna be able to make my coffee and offer everybody else a coffee. Also, the boiler works. So if the boiler works, we can still boil some water, give some tea, but yeah, it works. It's using 109 watts, and now we're back to standby at 1429 watts. Now, Anker rates it at 2048 watt hours with a 2400 watt continuous output and a 4000 watt peak output, which means that it can handle loads that would overwhelm smaller battery stations. And one thing that I especially like is the recharge speed, because if power comes back temporarily or you're using another charging source, it can recharge incredibly fast, reaching up to 100% in as little as 58 minutes under optimal charging conditions. Another great use is going to be outdoor and weekend activities, because the funny thing is that most people buy something like this for emergencies, but end up using it for completely different reasons, like I do. I love going outdoors for a picnic, a day at a park with my partner, camping, tailgating, or even filming outdoors. And the thing is that you stop worrying about finding outlets altogether. And instead of rationing the battery life on phones, cameras, drones, laptops, portable coolers, speakers, or projectors, you simply just bring the power with you. All right, guys, I have a few items here connected, starting off with my GoPro, my camera batteries, I have my phone, I have my projector and my lamp, which is I'm going to show you in just a second. I have my Starlink. This is the portable battery for the Starlink, and I do have my laptop connected as well. We got 44%, which is 2.3 hours, and it's giving us 363 watts of output. So it's doing very, very good, not a problem at all. And I still have 1, 2, and 3 more ports to use, including the car socket and also the extended portable battery. So very, very good. And the battery is also built using the live PO4 chemistry and rated for approximately 4,000 cycles, which translates into years of regular use before significant capacity loss becomes a concern. And last but not least, if the 2048 watt-hour isn't enough, you can expand the system into roughly 4,000 watt-hours with additional battery pack, giving you much longer run times during outages or extended trips. Alright guys, all the ambient lighting is off, and I'm going to be powering up everything with the Anker. Alright guys, now everything is back on again. I have my ambient lighting, I have my RGB for the microphone, my laptop is plugged in, and everything is plugged in onto my laptop, so everything is being powered by the Anker right there at the bottom. And one last feature that I did wanted to point out is the ultra efficient power for longer runtime, because with only 9 watt idle power consumption, this is the world's first 2000 kilowatt hour portable power station with idle power consumption under 10 watts, ensuring the minimal energy loss and maximum usable power. And last but not least, it also runs a dual door fridge for up to 32 hours, keeping your essentials powered for much longer during the blackouts. Now, it's worth mentioning that Anker SOLIX is going to have the biggest deal of the year during Prime Day, and this comes with the lowest prices across the lineup. And on top of the deal price, Anker SOLIX is going to throw free gifts with your order, either when you purchase any qualifying product or when your order hits a certain amount. And if you worry about buying now and seeing the price drop later, Anker SOLIX even has you covered with that with a 30-day price guarantee. So if you're thinking about when is the right time, I think now is the perfect time. So if you have been looking for a portable power station that works for both emergency backup and also a practical power for everyday adventures, this is the Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to leave the link down in the description below. Let me know as always in the comments, do you like it? Do you not like it? What would you change about it? Let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.